I've always had a sweet tooth. When I started working at Videri, I didn't know anything about bean to bar chocolate. I didn't know where chocolate even came from. My name is Roxanne Lundy, and I am the general manager at Videri Chocolate Factory. The name Videri comes from the North Carolina state motto, Esse quam videri, which means to be rather than to seem. We wanted the experience of coming into the factory to not only fill your senses of smelling the chocolate, but also being able to see everything. You see chocolate melted, hand sorting beans, inspecting each and every cocoa bean to making sure that only the good beans are being taken into the factory. You know the quality and the effort that goes into each chocolate bar or each bonbon. You walk into your space every day, but you don't realize what an impact it has, changing something like lighting and how it impacts our work environment. Having quality light in the production area is key to ensure that we are making a quality chocolate. The new lighting was absolutely noticeable. I felt like it brightened up the space. It made everything feel crisp and clean, and it made me happier to walk into that space. The last thing that I need to be thinking about is changing the light bulbs. So having a product with such a long shelf life is great for us, and the fact that we're going to be saving money is crucial. You know, working for a small business is kind of a 24-hour job, but it is nice to come home and just relax. When I think of better light in our house, I want it to feel bright and energizing. You don't realize that your space is dull until you add new bulbs. I definitely appreciate a quality product. To know that something is built to last or built for quality, that someone took some extra time to get it right, not to do it because they could make more money. It was made because that's the right way to do it. And I think that's really important in any product.